It's really unusual for me to be on stage. Normally I'm sitting in the audience. I spent 20 years on Wall Street, most recently with Jefferies here in Manhattan. Also had the privilege of being a founding advisor of a venture capital fund 15 years ago called DN Capital. And why I'm telling you that is DN Capital was actually an original investor in Shazam, the music recognition app. Now, interestingly, over 10 years, learned a lot about music recognition, learned a lot about audio, and 2 years ago went on a journey. The journey was to try and change mobile payments. So we all know about NFC, we all know about low-power Bluetooth, we all know about security, we all know about that these phones carry our identities and they transmit who we are and what our payment information is. So we reconstructed or deconstructed the payment chain. What we've designed here is a unidirectional payment solution. So first, I'd like to walk you through on the iPad here a point-of-sale system that we've created. This point-of-sale system is for small businesses, but obviously can be customized for larger ones. You would add items to your cart like you normally would. Then you hit the transmit button. On your mobile device, you hit the receiving button. It grabs the token. It says, "Are you buying this?" You said, "Yes." Default billing, shipping, payment information, all done. You've checked out. You've now received an email receipt. The Soundwave technology works with anything. All you need is a speaker from the merchant side and internet connectivity. And on the receiving side, all you need is a microphone and connectivity. That means a 50-year-old TV can be made smart. You don't have to spend $100, $200, $300 for a box to make it smart. We can embed our ultrasonic signal right inside the broadcast. Radio commercials. You can imagine a radio commercial, both local or national, where you have an ad that comes over the air. What kind of ad would make sense here? Well, if you're Domino's Pizza and you have a special for the next half hour for a medium pizza for $9.99, we can actually enable that to be purchased straight in the radio broadcast. And we can allow up to 59,000 transactions per second per location. Why is that important? We give you scalability. Now, what about security? I lose my device. There's no personal information stored on here. In fact, we never broadcast who you are. We never broadcast anything. It's a unidirectional system. The system is showing you the cart from the merchant. We match in the background on a secure cloud. But we take security one step further. That's not good enough for us because that's kind of where everybody is right now. We actually destroy our network every 30 seconds, and we rebirth it. So if you're a hacker, and sadly I am, or I was in my past, what you've realized is that you have a limited amount of time on this network to get into the back of it and try and steal information. In fact, you only have 30 seconds, and if you brute force attack that, it would probably take you roughly a year, year and a half, so it's not long enough. Now, I wanted to demo the video capability of this here and show you what it would look like for a YouTube video. So you would grab any YouTube video, you would upload it into our servers, and we would automatically add an ultrasonic watermark. Now this is from a jeweler we're working with, an online jeweler. And what they've done is they've spent probably $2 to $3 million on YouTube videos. Again, they have no real way of knowing they monetize that video. They don't know how effective it was. They used all kinds of cookies, tracking methods. But what if, when I hit play, I can allow you to buy it? You have a call to action on the right-hand side. It says, hey, open up the Soundpays app. I'm going to allow you to buy that. I open up the Soundpays app. Like magic, I grab the token. I've now purchased using my phone on a video. What's amazing is that this can now be everything. It can be your driver's license, it can be your insurance card, it can be your security pass. Again, we allow you to do anything with a Soundwave ultrasonic token. So why are we here? Why are we presenting it to you? This is a white label solution. Our goal here is not to make Soundpays the biggest and best brand. Our goal is to embed our technology in your brands. We want to help you reach that last mile. We want to help you get on the iPhone. If you're a bank or a financial institution and you want your wallet working on the iPhone, you have no NFC access right now. And I doubt Tim and his friends will ever give you NFC access. What we can do is we can allow your wallet to work on that right now. More importantly, we can be your brand. You'll own the customer. You'll have the data. It can be more secure. Last year, the secure element on smartphones was hacked over 6 million times. Over 6 million credit cards, false credit cards, were created during those hacks. You get my phone, you really have nothing but a secure token. What else can we do for you? We can embed loyalty. We can allow you for your ATMs. If you're a large institution and you have ATMs, all these ATMs have speakers in them. We can broadcast using that speaker and allow you, using a smart device, to authenticate and allow you to actually withdraw money or do banking transactions. So really what we've tried to do here, again, to summarize, create an ultra-secure system, unidirectional. We think that's very unique in the world. Secondly, ultra-flexible. We work in video, we work in TV, and we work at 50-year-old TVs. We work with any phone. All it needs is a microphone and internet connectivity. We work with any smart device, smartwatch, etc. We also believe we can give you branding information, and we can close that loop with your customer. We send the receipt after they've purchased to their email. They know what they're buying at any given time. And there's added bonuses that we add that I'll just finish up with here. The added bonus here is the user can create custom wallets. And those custom wallets, using your branding, using your systems, can add controls such as, this is my child's wallet. When they hit $10 of spending, we're going to allow them to hit that cap and come ask for more money. Or I have a college student. I give them $2,000 a month. They spend a little bit too much this month. They have to come back and explain to me. So what we are, again, secure, we are scalable, and we partner and we white label. We are Soundpays. Thank you very much.